Hey guys, with the new year, I know a lot of people are doing workout routines, maybe getting some more gym equipment, and I'm actually doing the same thing. I just started a new program, Body Beast, and there's a lot of extra equipment to do this, and my wife didn't really like the idea of this ugly gym equipment laying around our living room. We don't have a separate room for that, and then we also have little kids at home, so it's not really safe. And so we came up with a cool solution we wanted to share with you. And I think it turned out really cool, so just wanted to share this by way of inspiration. So behind me here in this box, believe it or not, is all my home gym workout equipment and all the stuff necessary for doing the Body Beast program or similar lifting program. So let me show you how it works. So on the top, I just have a hinge top on this, and it opens up, and I have a shelf here for all the weights, some extra storage for like yoga mats, my checklist and sheets, workout sheets, and things like that. And then I'm at the front where it opens up and just comes off, pops off. And then inside I have a lot of the other equipment. So the bench pulls out. This is my adjustable bench. Easy curl bar. And then also adjustable dumbbells. And I even have a few other things in there from some other things I do. So it's pretty cool that you can get all of this in just a small storage box, and it looks pretty good. And keep it out of the way most of the time, and it really doesn't take that long to pull out and then put back when I'm done. And most of all, it is safe to have the kids around. So hope you enjoyed it. If you want to do your own, we used to use a lot of reclaimed wood from our yard, some old fencing materials. And then to get this cool finish, my wife Janelle did that. She did like a dark walnut stain over the wood and then a whitewash over that to give it that distressed, kind of aged light look. That looks pretty cool, I think. So it's kind of cool. The only cost for this project was the flush mounts we bought. We just bought basic flush mounts for dropping that front off and pulling it off. Everything else we just kind of had around. So you can do this pretty cheap depending on how much wood, and if you have a couple hinges around, it's really not too bad. So yeah, it kind of brings a new meaning to the whole Body Beast. You know, whatever it takes to get a workout done. For us, that whatever it takes includes making a cool storage box. So hope this inspires you, and Happy New Year, and good luck getting your workout program done.